Hey, it is day, like 15, day 15 after surgery, and I'm getting worse at putting the tape on my nose, but everything's healing up really well. I'm sure I'm not supposed to do that. Yeah, it's been amazing how quickly things have shrunken back to the right size. Still have a few months before it'll start to look normal. But, yeah, I'll just put that there for now. But yeah, I said that I was going to do another update of how to tape my nose, but I don't think I'll do that. I've just been taking it easy. I've started having a few cheeky beers now, which is that was my biggest worry about having surgery, not being able to go out with friends and having drinks. So it is looking good. I'll just stop this for a second, take it off, and then show you what we're up to. Okay, I'm back. So basically what I'm doing is I'm taping my nose at night, and I'm putting my Hannibal Lecter, Hannibal Lecter cast on and taping it in place every night. So the tip is sort of raised and I tape underneath, and that just, well, for me, I can accidentally, I think you just saw things. So it's still a bit swollen, as you can see, but the bridge is really straight now. I've just woken up and I haven't even washed my face or anything like that. But yeah, what I'm doing is I am taping on this cast. So I put some tape over the top of my nose, and then I put this cast over the top, and then I tape underneath and attach it to the cast, and then over the top of the cast again. And for me, I generally will, in the middle of the night, roll over and wake up on my side or sleep on my stomach. And this, I mean, if you touch your nose and it hurts, you know about it because it's still quite tender. But this, for me, means that it doesn't come out of place or anything like that.